English grammar test, 10 questions about the proper noun. Question number 1. What is a proper noun? And here are your 4 options. You can pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer is a noun that can be pluralized. What is an example of a proper noun? Apple, teacher, London, or love? London is the correct answer. Proper noun always starts with a lowercase, an uppercase, a number, or a specific character. An uppercase. Proper noun refers to the 4 options are given here, and the correct answer is specific people, places, or things. Which of these is not a proper noun? Amazon, Nile, river, or Jupiter? River. What is the proper noun in this sentence? He loves reading Harry Potter books. The options are given. So Harry Potter was the noun. Which of these common nouns can be used as a proper noun? Rose, moon, hope, or all of the above? All of the above. Question number 8. Which of these proper nouns can be used as an adjective? China, Mozart, Starbucks, all of the above? All of the above. Which of these proper nouns can be preceded by a definite article the? United Kingdom. Select the sentence with the proper noun. This time you have 3 options. So option 3 was the correct one. If you are struggling to improve English, the Grammarly can help you. I have given the link in the description and it is free, no obligation.